Hi, in this session we have to see what is the use of for all entries. So first of all, thank you for my new subscribers who watch my video, subscribe my channel. So for all entries, we have created an example program. So go to the transaction code AC38 and I am create an example program. What is the use of for all entries? So for all entries is the best choice when you want to retrieve common data from multiple tables. It is the best alternative to select with joins. Okay. So as for all entries improves the performance and reduce the load of the database. So I am first write the data statement. I am using two database tables, SCARR and SPFLI. First of all, I am creating this data statement. I am using two tables, okay, database tables. Once done the data statement, next I will write the select statement. Select the star. You mention the table name. Okay. I'm select the select statement using the corresponding fields for the particular table. If Sabas equal to 0, then write the select statement for another table. Okay, so here I'm using the file entries. Watch full video, don't skip. So then you got some idea why using the file entries and which place use the file entries. So watch the full video. I'm using another table name SPFLI. So same corresponding fields I'm selected from the table. For all entries in, save it. Here I'm using the file entries, right? So now the file entries I'm using for retrieve the common data from the multiple tables. Okay, so this is the use of file entries. So loop at IT SPFLI into work area SPFLI, read the table. If sub is equal to 0, I'm selected some fields like the particular table which I mentioned the data. So I'm selecting the fields. For example, I'm selected the 4 fields from those 2 tables to display the output for the particular field. Okay, so try to save it. Check small errors, 2 minutes. Yes, done. Check no errors. Then I activate the program. The program is activated. Executed. Yes, this is a fields I'm selected, and thank